Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you our plans for Christmas school. First, you might be wondering, what is Christmas school? Christmas school is just a fun term for some of the traditions or activities or things that you'll be doing during Christmas time. For some, this also may look like slowing down or taking a pause on certain academic subjects while you pick up more Christmas-themed educational activities, reading, or just festive fun. In our house, we definitely slow down during Christmas time. We still focus on language arts and math. We also are working through our social studies and science topics, but we do like to take a long Christmas break, a good Sabbath time for those weeks right around Christmas time. But definitely as we near Thanksgiving and as we're moving into the holiday season, I really try to slow down and really savor our time together as a family, because I don't know if you feel the same way, but I feel that every year the holidays go by so fast, and it is my favorite time of year, and I just don't want to miss it. And the best way to really be able to savor the holiday season is to slow down so you can really enjoy it and it's not going by so fast. So today I'm going to share with you a mix of things that are new for us this year and things that are traditions for us for how we slow down and savor Christmas time. First, I'm so excited to share with you my new program, Savoring Christmas. If you are new, I'm a registered dietitian, a mom to two, and also a homeschool mom. And I have an online shop called Nutrition Schoolhouse where I create fun, educational home learning resources. And this is our newest program, Savoring Christmas. I created Savoring Christmas out of my love and desire to really slow down and savor Christmas. One of our favorite things to do at Christmas time is simply read Christmas books together and also make wholesome but fun festive treats. So I put together a program that includes 12 recipes that complement 12 classic holiday books. Simply, you'll read a book and then make a recipe together inspired from that book. Each recipe also features a hero ingredient that is a classic holiday flavor. For example, read Christmas in the Big Woods and then make maple candy lollipops inspired by the molasses candy that Laura and Mary make. Read the Nutcracker and then make maple candied pecans. Next, take a ride on the Polar Express and then make hot chocolate as thick as candy bars. Read The Legend of the Candy Cane and then make raspberry candy cane bark. There are so many simple and fun recipes in this program, so many classic Christmas books that we love. I hope you'll grab a copy and join us this Christmas time to savor Christmas. I will put a link below in the video description box for Savoring Christmas. Next is a tradition that I have been doing since my children were toddlers, and that is on the night of Thanksgiving, I put together a little bundle for them with new Christmas pajamas and a new Christmas book. And so I have here to share with you what I have purchased for this year. So these are their Christmas pajamas. I love the little print of the blue and the red and the white stripes. My son's favorite colors are green and red, and my daughter's favorite color is blue, and I love stripes. So I thought this just worked for all of us. So they each have a pair of their Christmas pajamas. Then I like to pick out a book for each child that I think they will really enjoy. We have read The Legend of the Candy Cane. However, we do not own a copy. So this year I purchased a copy of The Legend of the Candy Cane for my daughter. And then also this book called Christmas Farm, which is really sweet for my son because he really is obsessed with farming. He wants to own a farm. He wants to have a ranch and be on land and have animals, and he talks about it all the time. So I thought this book, Christmas Farm, would be perfect for him. So I will wrap these up all cute, put a little string around them, and then we actually like to put up our Christmas tree in early November. We don't put ornaments on the tree until after Thanksgiving, but I like to put up the tree and just have lights, maybe some ribbons on the tree, more of a holiday tree. And so these will go under the tree that they will then enjoy on the evening of Thanksgiving. And then after Thanksgiving, then it becomes our Christmas tree and we put all the ornaments on. So I will make these cute and put them under the tree for them on Thanksgiving. Next, this is new for us this year, and if you know me, you know that we love books, and when I saw it, I knew we had to have it. So I got one for each child. It is the Usborne Advent Calendar book collection. Everything I'm mentioning today, if there's a link, I will put it below for you if you're interested in these items for yourself. But essentially, this is a very large Advent calendar, and each day you open up the calendar and there's a new little book inside to read. So by the end of Advent, you will have read, or your child will have read through 24 sweet little books that they get to keep, of course. And I think this is just a really fun thing to look forward to and to celebrate Advent. I have one for each child, as you can see, and they do have different books. So if you look online, you can really see all the different books that are included in each Advent, depending on what books you think that your child might enjoy. So each Advent, the blue and the red, they have different books. But I know that my kids will enjoy each having their own Advent to open and their own books to read through, so I got one for each. Next is a tradition that we have done for the past 2 years. So this will be our 3rd year with this tradition, and that is in early November, the kids memorize a Bible verse that pertains to Christmas time, or just a classic Bible verse that I feel is really good to tuck into your heart and to know. And after they memorize the Bible verse, we go to the store and they get to pick out a new Christmas ornament to put on the Christmas tree. And my mother-in-law actually embroiders these little tags that have the year, their name, and the Bible verse that they memorized, which really helps us to remember, what Bible verse connects to each ornament. So since we've done it for 2 years now, this is the first year this is the first year that we memorized the Bible verse and got an ornament. So this was my daughter's. We memorized Isaiah 9:6 in the year 2023, and in 2024 it was John 3:16. This is the ornament my daughter picked out. And then in the first year, my son picked out this ornament, again, Isaiah 9:6. They memorized the same Bible verse, and this was the ornament he picked out last year. It's just so fun to see what they pick out. And then John 3:16. So we will do the same thing, and then it's just really fun because over the years, the tree will be filled with all these ornaments, and they can look at them and also think about all the Bible verses they memorized around Christmas time. Last but not least, another thing that we really love to do around Christmas time and throughout the holiday season is puzzles. It gets dark early, of course, in winter. And so we have a really big dining room table that my husband actually built. And so because it's so big, there's just 4 of us. So we usually are on this end, and the other end, there's space to kind of keep a puzzle going for weeks and weeks and weeks. This year, I think I'm going to upgrade and buy a puzzle mat. We typically just put a big piece of cardboard and then put the puzzle on top of that. But I think we're ready. We've been puzzling for a while, so I think we're ready to upgrade to a good puzzle mat. So if you have a puzzle mat that you love, let me know in the comments below. But we have some puzzles that we've enjoyed, and then this is a new puzzle that I got this year. It's called Tinsel City, that I think is really sweet and really fun. So festive, and I will also share some other puzzles here that I think are just so beautiful, and I am so excited to do these puzzles myself and also do them with the kids this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of what we like to incorporate in for Christmas school. We are not stopping school completely and then just focusing on Christmas related things, so not to have any confusion there, but we do slow down the pace a little bit with traditional school as we kind of slide into a Christmas break and really focus on the reason for the season and reading a lot of books together. And of course, reading is educational, cooking together is science and educational, so learning is just a lifestyle. Learning is all around us. There's so many opportunities to continue to learn and have it be school. That's not just sitting at a table and doing a workbook. And again, this time of year goes so fast, and whether you have little kids or your little kids are grown up and you know how fast it goes, it's just so important for my mama heart to really slow down as much as we can and savor this time together, which is a good reminder about savoring Christmas. I will put a link for my program in the video description box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I would love to know what are some of your favorite family traditions that you like to do around Christmas time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!